In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription in Squarespace. If you need to stop a Squarespace subscription, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside your Squarespace dashboard so you can find the correct billing area and cancel the subscription you no longer want to keep active. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website dashboard for the site connected to the subscription you want to manage. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the account and website management options, including billing details. After the settings panel opens, find and click billing. This section is where you can review charges, payment information, invoices, and active services connected to your site. If you're not sure where subscriptions are managed, billing is the correct place to go. Next, inside the billing area, click subscriptions. This page shows the subscriptions currently associated with your Squarespace account or website. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have more than one active plan or service. Now click the subscription you want to cancel. This opens the details page for that specific subscription where you can review the current plan and available account actions. It's a good idea to double check that you're viewing the right subscription before moving forward, since canceling the wrong one could affect your site or services. Once you're on the subscription details page, click Cancel. That is the option Squarespace provides to begin the cancellation process for that subscription. At this stage, Squarespace may show additional prompts or confirmation screens before the cancellation is finalized, so read each message carefully before completing the process. This helps you understand when the cancellation takes effect and whether your service remains active until the end of the current billing period. And that's it. To cancel a subscription in Squarespace, open your site dashboard, click the settings icon in the bottom left corner, go to Billing, select Subscriptions, open the subscription you want to remove, and then click Cancel. If you're following along while logged into Squarespace, just move slowly and confirm each selection as you go, and the process should only take a minute or two.